Hi everyone. In this RiseWindows video, we will learn how to change the default location of screenshots on Windows 11 and 10. To relocate the screenshots folder in Windows 11 or 10, follow the following steps. Open File Explorer. To launch the File Explorer on Windows 11 or 10, we can use the Windows +E keyboard shortcut or right-click the Start button and select File Explorer. Next, when the File Explorer window appears on our computer, click Pictures in the left sidebar. Right-click on the Screenshots folder and select the Properties option in the menu on the right side. In the Screenshots Properties dialog, switch to the Location tab. In the selected destination window, choose the location where we want to save the screenshots. Now, click the Select Folder button. Then, click Apply. Once we're done with the steps, Windows will ask if we want to move existing screenshot files to the new location. Click Yes or No according to our choice. Finally, click OK. When we complete the above steps and take a screenshot using Windows + Print Screen, it will be automatically saved in the new location. If we ever want to set the default location of the screenshots folder, then browse to the new screenshot folder in File Explorer and right-click on that. Choose the Properties option and select the Location tab. Then click the Restore Default button. Then the screenshots will be saved on the default location itself. That's it for this video. If you are new to this channel, like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Comment below if you want to add some more value to this video. Keep watching, learning, and growing. See you in the next video.